Hi, today we're going to take a look at simplifying natural log expressions. Before I take a look at the natural log, let's take a look at a regular log, base 6. So I want to take an expanded version and put in a condensed form. So with that, I got to start with taking my numbers out in front, moving it up, creating our exponent, and then rewriting everything. So we've got log base 6 of 10 to the third minus log base 6 of 8. When you have subtraction, that means division. So we rewrite that log base 6 once. We have a division problem. 10 to the third over 8. 10 to the third really means 1,000. So I'm going to take a little shortcut here, and we'll do that. We can now simplify this fraction because it's there, it's possible. So let's do it. We get 125. Now, we can actually go one more step further because 125 we can rewrite another way using our exponents. 125 is saying the same thing as saying 5 to the third. We're almost there. The only thing about a condensed form is we're not allowed to have an exponent. So let's take that 3 and let's move it back out front. We're going to say 3 log base 6 of 5. And there's your answer in condensed form. Now, what does that have to do with natural logs? Well, it has everything. It's all the same steps, the exact same problem. Instead of saying log base of number 6 or log base 6, we have natural log, which is just log base e. So let's run through and do all the same steps. Number out in front, let's put it up top. We get ln of 10 to the third minus ln of 8. We have a subtraction problem, which really means division. Let's divide these things. We have our division problem set up. Can we simplify that division? Well, 10 to the third power is 1,000 all over 8. This division here is 125. 125 we can rewrite as ln of 5 to the third, and take your exponent, move it out in front. And now we're in a condensed form. These were exactly all the same steps. So whether or not you have a natural log, which is the same thing as saying log base e, or a log base 6, it's all the same steps. Now, what happens if we've got 3 logs here? Can we do it all? Can we put them together? Well, absolutely. It's all the same stuff. Let's start by taking our number out in front, moving up top. Exponent of 2, that disappears. Exponent of 4, that disappears, and we're good. Now, why are we moving this exponent first? Because I want to make sure all the logs are the same so I can kind of like combine like terms. Now we're left with ln of 5 squared plus ln of 2 to the fourth plus ln of 5y. What's that going to do? Well, let's see. Now all of our logs are the same, or natural logs, so we rewrite ln. When we have addition that really means multiplication, so let's multiply them and only have that one ln. And can we put any of this together? We can. So let's do this math. We're going to get ln of 25 times 16 and 5y. And then when we put all these together, ln 2000y. Okay, can we go any further from here? You actually can stop because 2000 cannot be rewritten another way like we did over here with 5 to the third power. So unfortunately, or fortunately, we stop since we can't simplify 2000. And that is simplifying natural log expressions.